Hello. My name is Graham, and I'm here to tell you about why you must thoroughly clean your hot tub or It's always a good idea to clean your hot tub filter regularly. When you have finished allowing the filter to soak in the special solution for a minimum of 24 hours, rinse it carefully with the hose pipe. Don't forget, failing to purchase a hot tub filter replacement unit or not carrying out regular servicing may well result in costly repairs that will keep you from the luxury of a long soak at the end of your day. I hope that the information provided has helped you take into account the importance of looking after your hot tub or spa.